How to unlink your Xbox account from Epic Games. First, what we want to do is just open up the Epic Games browser or the Epic Games website on your browser. Then just click on your profile here on the top right to make sure that you're logged in first to do this. So click on your profile on the top right, then go to account. Wait for it to load. Then once you are here, you simply need to find the apps and accounts section right there. So just simply click on it. Then as you can see, I have my Xbox currently connected, and to remove it, you just need to basically click on the remove button right there and just check all of the check boxes right here to proceed. Once that's done, just simply click on remove account. As you can see, it will just automatically remove your Xbox account and it will unlink it to or from your Epic Games account. That's how you basically unlink your Xbox account to your Epic Games.